Yo, what's going on, buddy? Crypto Kid here, coming at you guys again with another video, guys. Today, just a quick update on the market. Holy smokes, so much has happened. I'm probably going to be coming out with a video later today talking about Orchid OXT a little bit more in depth. We're going to touch upon it real quick in this video. But today, just wanted to give you guys some price updates, what I think is a strong investment right now. Couple things going all over the place. I know a lot of us are Coinbase investors, so I'm going to be talking about a lot of Coinbase coins. Of course, let's get right into it. So right off the bat, Ethereum and Bitcoin, like I've said in the past, pretty strong investments all year round. You buy these coins 2-3 years from now, I'm like 99.9% sure that you're going to be up in money. So those are pretty self-explanatory. XRP, guys, like I've said in the past, I'm avoiding for a little bit. Hope I get at least a year or two, so we can get some more like news updates from Ripple and the team there, and also because I don't think that XRP is really going to be going anywhere anytime soon. I don't think that the world is really ready to adopt their systems. If it ever is going to get adopted, it's a couple years down the line. So for now, I'm just avoiding XRP because the price, when everything pumps, it doesn't pump as much, and when everything dumps, it feels like it dumps more. So that's kind of my stance on XRP. Don't hate the coin, and I think if you're a long-term investor, it's still a great investment, but I'm just avoiding XRP for now. Bitcoin Cash, we don't really talk about. Chainlink, like I've said in the past, I did think that it was a little bit overvalued. A lot of people disliked the video, called me crazy, said I didn't know what I was doing, blah, blah, blah. But it's down like 50% since that video was made. So who's laughing now, I guess. But anyways, Tezos, if you guys were able to buy Tezos under $2, shout out to you. I know that I was able to get myself a nice bag of Tezos yesterday, and it's already up to $2.10. Who knows if this is going to, like, if this momentum is going to keep up. But what I've said in the past is Tezos is one of the only coins you know for a fact that you're going to be making 5% on Tezos because of the staking rewards at least, and that obviously varies based on what exchange you use or if you stake on your own ledger. But anyways, you're earning at least 5% per year on Tezos, and that's enough. That's more than can be said for a lot of these coins. So Tezos, go ahead, buy it low, hold it, and when it doubles in value over the next couple months or even a year, you're going to be making a lot of passive income, and it's basically going to be compound interest because you're making interest on the interest that you've already accrued over that time period. So go ahead, get yourself a bag of Tezos, lock it away, earn those staking rewards, and don't even look at it. Stellar Lumens, I think right now is a pretty great buy at only 7 cents, almost under 7 cents actually. I think it's tanked a lot these past few months, and right now is probably a good time to get in on it with little news coming out. Yearn Finance is just all over the place since it was added to Coinbase. It's definitely a good coin to day trade if you guys are into that. It kind of swings pretty consistently, so go ahead, check that one out. Uniswap, I wanted to invest in it, but it just seemed a little overvalued for my liking the past few days, just because it swung up so much once it was added to Coinbase. Compound and OMG, I'm avoiding for right now. I do think OMG can bring back some good rewards. And I think Compound, it's just not going to swing up as much as some of these other coins, but it is still a good investment in my opinion. Algorand, there's been a little bit of news coming out that they're going to dump the supply, all these different things. So that's why I've been a little sketched out by it, but I did get a little bag of Algo just because its potential is just so great that you might as well just get a little bit of Algo and just kind of lock it away, just like you're doing with your Tezos. Kyber Network, I think, is selling at a crazy discount right now, 89 cents. To think that this one was almost at $2 or might have even broken $2 at one point this past year. Right now, it is a good investment. Augur, very, very low market cap. And obviously, we've seen what the price can go to in the past. I think at like $20, $30, maybe even $40 at one point this past year. I might have butchered that, but Augur is obviously one that you can kind of just hold and wait for it to pump eventually because you know another pump is coming in the future. Band, a lot of negative news came out about Band recently, and the price has tanked as a result, but I think it's probably ready for a nice recovery, at least to probably $8 or $9, so you could come in there for some like 30-40% gains. And then Orchid OXT we're going to touch upon later. Just know the Binance listing, absolutely crazy. I was holding a massive bag of Orchid when the Binance listing went, so I made quite a bit that night, and then I was able to get out before it ended up crashing like it did today. But it might not be over. That's what the next video is going to be out. The Orchid OXT pump might not be over, so stay tuned for that. And then NMR, Numeraire, I think that's how you pronounce it. Super, super low market cap, and kind of the same philosophy I had for Orchid when I originally invested in Orchid is that very low market cap on one of the most popular exchanges in the world. You're going to want to just get yourself a bag of it and wait for the next pump. But Anyways, that's basically going to do it for this quick check-in, guys. Let me know if there's any coins in specific that you want me to talk about. Quite a bit has been going on in the crypto market. I wasn't making as many videos before just because it was basically just a down day every single day, and I just kind of ran out of stuff to talk about. I didn't want to force a video for you guys, but now that we are starting to see some coins just pump like crazy, and things are kind of getting fun again, I do want to start making videos a little bit more consistently. As we can see with Orchid, guys, just nothing was really happening. I was kind of holding this whole time, sold out, and then I saw this one little pump right here, and I got excited, bought in, and then woke up and just boom, I think I was at like 37 cents or something like that, and then you're able to day trade it. But guys, quick tip here: if you are into day trading, and if you're not, I think you should definitely do some research, because it is a really good use of your time if you know what you're doing. When coins like this pump, it is such a great opportunity for you to come in and start day trading it, because the swings are so massive. You'll be seeing a 10% swing every single hour, and you can basically just kind of time the market. Get in when it drops low, and then just wait for it to recover. Usually it recovers like whenever you see a massive spike down, there's usually like a 70-80% recovery is kind of my rule. I guess this one would kind of be a decent example right here, where it's coming down here, drops, you want to buy in there, and then it's going to recover at least halfway. That's kind of when I usually get out. But yeah, there's a ton of different philosophies you can look into with day trading. There's a lot of money to be made, and when you see high volatility assets, kind of like Orchid OXT was, when the Binance listing happened, there's a great opportunity to make a lot of money. And even if you're not trying to just make US dollar, you can even just increase your position of Orchid if you know what you're doing. Make sure you're always doing your own research. So as always, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this price update. Let me know once again what coins you want to see in the comments. Make sure to subscribe. We're coming in on 3,000, and I'll see you all in the next one, hopefully later today. Peace out.